Tired of your shots not registering and enemies teleporting around like ninjas in Rainbow Six Siege? Today, we're diving deep into fixing that dreaded jitter and latency to transform your Siege experience from frustrating to flawless. First, let's optimize your in-game graphics. Lowering settings like texture quality, shadows, and reflections can significantly reduce the strain on your system, indirectly impacting network performance. Experiment with different combinations to find the sweet spot between visual fidelity and smooth gameplay. Next, head over to the network settings within the game. Ensure your matchmaking region is set correctly to your geographical location. A server that's too far away will inevitably lead to higher latency. Now, let's check your internet connection. Open command prompt by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar. Type ping Google.com and hit enter. This will run a continuous ping test to Google servers, allowing you to monitor your connection's stability. Keep an eye out for any spikes in latency or drop packets, which indicates a problem in the connection. Afterwards, dive into your network adapter settings. Right-click the network icon in your system tray. Open Network and Internet Settings, then change adapter options. Right-click on your active network adapter, select Properties, and uncheck unnecessary services like Cost Packet Scheduler. By implementing these steps, you will minimize jitter and latency in Rainbow Six Siege, giving you a competitive edge and allowing you to dominate your opponents. Go forth and enjoy your smoother, lag-free matches.